Okay, my chatlings. Hello, my chatlings. Oh, I've got the overlay on my XL1 turned on. Yes, I'm streaming on YouTube from a camera that's older than I am, and in fact, I'm also using a laptop about as old as I am for my YouTube stream. Sorry, getting my video monitor all set up. Anyway, a Aliexpress seller sent me the wrong kit. I don't know what this is, but it looks weird as hell. I really can't imagine what it could possibly be. It's got a 40 pin microcontroller. It has like 20 LEDs and what I think is serial port control. Now what I could do is I could go on the seller's page. I could go on the seller's page and I could dig for what this kit is. But I'm not going to do that because that's not fun. I'm going to find out what the hell this is by building it and turning it on and seeing what it does. So yeah, there's our PCB. That's like a foot long. No clue. And then our little bag of components, our little sack of guys. I guess the battery compartment screws on down there, and then I wonder if this is a genuine Atmel microcontroller or if it's a knockoff. What is that? There's some component in there that I don't recognize. Where did it go? I hallucinated it. It's imaginary. It's a figment of my imagination. Okay, there's a quartz crystal. What is this? Oh, it's a vibration sensor. Yeah, it's a vibration switch. Is this like a meter? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, chat member. Thank you so much. I hope this turns out well as well. Oh, I was berating my own SMD soldering a couple days ago, but I've significantly improved. Look what a clean job I did on this calculator that I soldered yesterday. Look at that. Look at that chip. But anyway, this calculator can calculate resistor codes, and that's why I've got it here, because we're going to need it today. Yeah, there's some sort of header, maybe like a serial port or something. Okay, I saw the corner of the quartz crystal and thought it was something else interesting and weird that I haven't seen before. This is completely useless. This is completely useless in figuring out what this kit might be. It's just a packing list of what the components are. Doesn't tell you how to use it once you finish soldering. S2, I'm assuming S2 is the vibration switch. Yeah. So my main guess right now is that this is like number of vibrations per minute. It's some sort of gauge, and based on how many times this switch is triggered over a certain frequency, the microcontroller sends signals out to these LEDs. I think that's what it is. Okay, we've got a chip and a socket and some things on the board there under the chip. So I think what I need to do is solder those and then put the socket in above them. Also, all the LEDs are red, which is funny. If this is a meter of some sort, typically they would vary in color. There'd be some green ones, some yellow ones, but that's not going to fit under the chip. I'm going to lay that down. You know, things that would be good to tell you in the instructions, but they don't. 1.5K, I get to show off my fancy new calculator because the resistors aren't labeled. It's a 5-band, and it goes brown, black, red, Wait, no, I'm stupid. It goes brown, black, blue, red, gold. I think. What? Does it not like that? Oh, I did it backwards. Still figuring this out. So that's brown, red, blue, black. Brown, red, blue, black, gold. Why won't it let me? Okay, so this calculator should be able to tell me resistor codes, but I think I just don't have good lighting, so I'm not reading the code correctly. So it's entirely my fault. It's like all user error. Are all of these the same anyway? No, they're not. They're not all the same. Let's try with this one. I think that's maybe like brown, green, blue. Maybe brown and then gold. Yeah, it won't let me put gold as the last one. I'm just gonna go get my tester. Man, I was so excited. I was so excited. I was like, wow. I'm gonna show everyone what a good job I'm doing with my resistor codes. Oh, my Core 2 Duo is only at 70% usage streaming, which is really crazy. Okay. So there's a 1.5K, which goes in the 1.5K hole. That's funny that they sent, chips that go under the socket. Again, I mean, I guess this is a happy accident because this is way more expensive, whatever it might be, than the kit that I bought. This is a nice chip. This is an AT89S52. That's like a big Atmel microcontroller. That's like a genuinely nice chip. Anyway, I guess it's a happy accident that I got sent the wrong kit because whatever it may be, it's certainly more expensive than the tiny one that I bought. Oh, is this where the quartz crystal goes? That must be. What is the clock speed on this chip? 12 megahertz. It's running its microcontroller at 12 megahertz. I hope the audio isn't like absolutely rancid because I've never streamed from this setup before, so I really hope it is using the line in and not the internal